AFL TV in association with Maitland Gym Marbella. With me I'm joined by Conor Bain. How are you doing, Conor?
I'm good, mate. Loving Glasgow.
You having a good time?
Yeah, it couldn't be better, mate. Really enjoying it.
What do you think of the media workout yesterday?
It was unbelievable. The reception I got over there was mad, and it was on some hype level. So I can't wait to see what fight night's going to be like on Saturday.
It's been quite a great start to your professional career. Obviously, you made your debut at the O2 Arena in London. You make your second appearance in a world title fight at the Hydro in Scotland. Does it get much better?
I can't get much better. I mean, my first two pro fights, massive bills, world title bills. You know, and then to be able to fight in the heart of Glasgow where they love boxing. You know, on a Ricky Burns world title bill, free weight world champion. You know, it's an unbelievable feeling.
Obviously, when you made your debut, Joshua went on to win a world title. Can we expect the same from Ricky on Saturday night?
Oh, he's bringing it home 100%. I have faith in him. He's bringing it home 100%. He's fit, strong, and I've wobbled me a few times in sparring.
Not ashamed to admit it. What's it like in the gym? You guys all training together?
It's unbelievable, you know. I'm like a young lion in the gym. You know, I'm a baby cub, and you know what great people around me to look up to. You know, Ricky Burns. You know, he teaches me things. He'd stop in sparring and go, "Oh, you see where you've done that? No, do it this way. You notice you get your shots off easier." And you know, I'm just a young cub surrounded by lions, and we're all on the same mission.